Have you ever wondered how our beloved pets became such integral parts of our lives? The journey of cats from wild creatures to cherished companions is a tale of mutual benefit, survival, and deepening bonds. Let's explore how these incredible transformations occurred and how they continue to shape our world today. So, how cats got domesticated. The domestication of cats is a fascinating process that likely began around 10,000 years ago in the Near East. Here's an overview of how it is believed to have occurred: early agricultural societies. The domestication of cats is closely linked to the advent of agriculture. As humans transitioned from a nomadic lifestyle to settled farming communities, they began to store surplus crops, particularly grains. This agricultural revolution, occurring around 10,000 years ago in the Near East, marked a significant shift in human history. With the establishment of permanent settlements, early humans started cultivating and harvesting crops. The surplus grains were stored in granaries and other facilities to ensure a steady food supply throughout the year. However, these stored grains quickly attracted an unwelcome guest: rodents. These pests posed a serious threat to the food supply, capable of decimating the stored crops and spreading disease. The burgeoning rodent populations drawn to the easily accessible food sources inadvertently set the stage for the domestication of cats. The Near Eastern wildcat, Felis sylvestris libica, native to the region, began to frequent human settlements, lured by the plentiful prey. These wildcats found an abundant and consistent source of food in the rodents infesting the grain stores. Over time, a symbiotic relationship developed between humans and wildcats, leading to the gradual domestication of cats, which have become beloved companions in our homes today. Mutual benefit. The burgeoning relationship between early agricultural societies and wildcats quickly proved to be mutually beneficial. The presence of cats helped control the rodent population, which in turn protected the human food supply. Although humans did not initially intend to domesticate cats, they recognized the advantage of having these natural pest controllers around. As a result, they tolerated and even encouraged the presence of wildcats in their settlements. This tolerance created an environment where wildcats could thrive while performing a crucial service for their human neighbors. Over time, natural selection favored cats that were less afraid of humans and better adapted to living near human settlements. These sociable and adaptable cats gradually evolved traits that made them better suited to coexist with humans, laying the groundwork for the domesticated cats we know today. Gradual domestication. The journey from wild cats to domesticated pets was a gradual process driven by natural selection and changing behaviors. Over time, certain behavioral traits became more pronounced in cats through natural selection. Wild cats that were less aggressive and more sociable had a better chance of thriving in human environments. These cats were more likely to be tolerated and even welcomed by humans, ensuring their survival and reproduction. This led to the emergence of cats that were increasingly comfortable around humans, displaying reduced fear and increased sociability, further strengthening the bond between species. Genetic studies support the idea of a gradual domestication process. Research indicates that today's domestic cats are descendants of the Near Eastern wildcat, Felis sylvestris libica, with minimal genetic divergence. This suggests that the domestication of cats is a relatively recent phenomenon compared to other domesticated animals. Despite their close genetic ties to their wild ancestors, domestic cats have developed unique behaviors and traits that make them well suited to life with humans, showcasing the remarkable adaptability of these animals. Cultural integration. As cats transitioned from wild hunters to domestic companions, they became woven into the fabric of human societies worldwide. As human societies expanded through trade and exploration, cats spread to different parts of the world. They were quickly integrated into various cultures, often taking on symbolic and revered roles. In ancient Egypt, for example, Cats were considered sacred and associated with the goddess Bastet, a deity representing home, fertility, and protection. Cats were not only protectors of grain stores, but also symbols of grace and poise, often depicted in art and honored in household shrines. This cultural reverence for cats spread through trade routes, contributing to their global distribution and status. Over time, humans selectively bred cats for specific traits, leading to the development of the various cat breeds we see today. This intentional breeding process diversified the appearance of cats and reinforced their roles as cherished companions tailored to fit the lifestyles and preferences of their human caretakers. Modern domestic cats. In the present day, domestic cats are cherished members of households around the globe, reflecting their long journey from wild predators to beloved pets. Today, cats are one of the most popular pets worldwide. They are adored for their companionship as well as their historical role as pest controllers. Their independent yet affectionate nature makes them ideal pets for various living situations, from spacious homes to compact apartments. Cats provide emotional support and companionship, forming deep bonds with their human families. Their ability to live comfortably alongside humans is a testament to the successful domestication process that began thousands of years ago. Modern domestic cats retain hunting instincts like stalking and pouncing, reminiscent of their wild ancestors. However, they've also developed unique traits suited for pet life, such as increased sociability, diverse vocalizations for human communication, and a tendency to seek human interaction. Genetic studies reveal their close relation to wild ancestors, but selective breeding and adaptation to human environments have shaped these pet-specific traits, making them beloved members of human families. The domestication of cats was a gradual process driven by mutual benefits between humans and wild cats. This relationship began in early agricultural societies and evolved over thousands of years, leading to the domestic cats we know and love today. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts below. We will see you in the next video.